Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how we took a wall like this and turn it into a showpiece. Let's get into it. Our clients had this large wall in their living room where their TV was mounted, and they wanted to add an electric fireplace and a mantle. Rather than just attaching these things to the wall, we decided to build out an actual fireplace that would house all of these items and really become a statement piece for the room. We started by removing the baseboard and crown molding from the area. I built a simple 2x4 frame to attach to the wall, making sure that I was hitting the wall studs. I attached some feet or extensions or whatever you want to call them to the frame. These will be used to attach the second 2x4 frame. Once the second 2x4 frame was secure, I did some additional framing to house the fireplace, the new TV, and make sure that I had plenty of framing to attach the shiplap siding to. It was a little monotonous, so I'll just show you the finished framework. Then it was time to start installing the shiplap. I was not too worried about the ends because all the corners are going to be capped with trim. I used some half-inch sanded plywood for the top and bottom of the boxed area that will house the TV. Once all the shiplap was installed, it was time to start trimming it out. I used pre-sanded select pine for all the trim work. After caulking and puttying all the holes, we applied a couple coats of black satin wall paint. Then it was time to build a mantle. Unfortunately, I lost a lot of the footage of building this mantle, but basically I cut a 2x4 to the length that I wanted the mantle to be, and then I attached smaller pieces of 2x4 every so many inches. This structure will act as a cleat that I will attach to the fireplace. The mantle itself is built out of select pine, and it will be a box that will slide over the cleat. As you can see, installing the 86-inch TV was a all-hands-on-deck event. The mantle box ended up being such a tight fit that there was no need for any fasteners. The electric fireplace was a quick plug-and-play install. Alright, our fireplace build is done. I am really happy with the end result. Unfortunately, I couldn't be there in person for the end because our client was feeling a little under the weather, so we're gonna green screen it. This truly was a big change to this space. We went from a plain wall to this statement piece right when you walk in the room. It is so eye-catching with that satin black finish. I'm really happy with how the mantle came out. I mean, to go from simple pine with a couple coats of stain and polyurethane and some good sanding that Christina did, it actually looks like an old beam hanging up there. It came out really great. Now, the fireplace was picked out by the client, but she did a great job. It looks really cool. The flames change color, the logs change color, and you can even replace the logs with stones that change color also, so you can make the color match the aesthetics or the holiday that you're decorating for around your home. All in all, this was a lot of fun to build. We really enjoyed it, and man, does it make a difference to this room. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. We put out a new project video every week, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can follow along with us. And if you would like to see some behind the scenes footage or sneak peeks at upcoming projects, then make sure to hit the link to our Patreon page and sign up there. And we would love to hear what you thought of this project in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, be safe, and have a great day.